Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, Independent Designer for Chalk Couture. Today I'm working with two different transfers, Love Grows Here and Spring Words. I'm showing you there how we have changed from 2-ounce container to 3-ounce now. And it's a wider and an easier seal. I love it. So I'm putting Love Grows Here on these terracotta pots. Then while I'm waiting for this one, I cleaned it and waiting for it to dry. I am doing the smaller ones with the farm, fresh, and garden grown. This is from the Spring Words. All right, I've getting the easy part done, which is the chalking. Now for the hard part of changing this brown thumb to green. Keep your fingers crossed. If you like this video and would like to look around and shop or join and become a designer like me, just go to cheriecriswell.chalkcouture.com. And my finished product. So cool. I love this stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.